Open the tab, let the journey begin. Knowledge on tap, let the lesson sink in.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Learn with Hattie. Have you ever had a day when your favorite online service for messaging, gaming, and even AI services like Perplexity goes down and there's nothing you can do? A lot of these platforms rely on centralized servers. Just this week, an AWS outage took down thousands of critical apps worldwide. Today, I'm going to talk about how decentralized services such as Iagon could fix these vulnerabilities for good. Let's start with why cloud outages matter. AWS powers nearly a third of the world's cloud infrastructure. When it goes down, everything from social media, finance, and even cutting-edge AI assistants grind to a halt. Entire companies and millions of users are affected, with downtime leading to lost revenue, broken workflows, and rising frustration. Security experts warn this problem will only get worse as our reliance on AI and cloud grows. Every new use case means more risk concentrated in fewer hands. So what exactly is Iagon and how could it fix this? Iagon is a decentralized platform for storage and compute, built on blockchain technology and running atop Cardano, which is energy efficient and secure. Instead of relying on a handful of giant centers, Iagon takes unused storage and computing power from thousands of computers and business servers around the world and turns it into a single, robust cloud network. Whenever you store data or run a task with Iagon, your information is encrypted, split into shards, and distributed to multiple independent nodes. This means if one server goes offline, your data and service keep running because the network routes around the problem. In short, no single point of failure, no centralized bottleneck. Decentralized clouds like Iagon are designed from the ground up to keep services running 24/7, even during outages that would cripple the big players. So let's go over security, privacy, and compliance. How safe is Iagon? Unlike conventional clouds, Iagon's distributed approach means each chunk of data is highly secure. Even if someone manages to hack one node, they only get a meaningless piece. Only users with the correct keys can reconstruct the full data. On top of encryption, Iagon lets users choose where their data should be stored, helping companies meet strict rules like GDPR. Built-in transparency means users can see where their data shards are located and who's hosting them. So now let's go over Iagon's advantages and real use cases. Uptime. No central outage can knock out the whole network. Cost. Decentralized providers like Iagon offer storage and compute up to 80% cheaper by using existing unused resources. Privacy. No cookies, no hidden data monetization. Users control their own data. Scalability. Anyone can join the network, creating unlimited capacity. Real-world examples include secure enterprise storage, affordable compute for AI training, and private, resilient web hosting. Individuals can even earn rewards by sharing their leftover storage. In the future, I'm going to go over how to share storage and how to run a node on your computer. I'm working through it right now. I'm trying it on my Linux device, but I'm also going to try it on my Windows device and see which one's easier and show you the process of how it works. So here's some ideas on how platforms like Perplexity and others build on Iagon's vision to avoid outages. Start integrating with decentralized cloud protocols for backups, redundancy, and failover. Encourage other cloud providers to distribute data across multiple independent nodes, minimizing single points of failure. Adopt open source software for seamless connection to decentralized compute and storage. Educate teams and users about the risks of centralization and the benefits of shared infrastructure. Prepare compliance and transparency strategies, like Iagon's dashboard tools and data sharding, to stay ahead of new regulations. As outages get more disruptive, which I think they will. With the rise of technology, the rise of information, we need to rethink our approach to infrastructure. Decentralized solutions like Iagon aren't just nice to have. They are becoming essential. They offer resilience, privacy, and cost savings that centralized services struggle to match. So next time you're waiting for AWS to reboot, imagine a world where cloud outages barely make a dent. That's the promise of decentralized technology, and I think this technology is going to take us to the next level. A world that's truly connected. What do you think about the recent AWS outage? Do you think we need to look at more decentralized options? Do you think these outages are going to happen more frequently? Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and you always win with Hattie Hats.